Good afternoon, everybody. Finally rolled myself up out of bed. Got my morning routine done. Drank my coffee. Fed the old dog. Now we're gonna go for a little walk out here in these woods. I don't know exactly where we're going. Just see what we can see. It's not too bad today. It's I think it's like 58 degrees, something like that. Sunny. What did I just hear? Anyway, there's old Rusty Russ. He got the head start on me this morning. Yeah, we heard somebody holler. Anywho, I just walked through a spider web. Anywho, we're gonna head down through here. Well, I'm gonna head down through here. He's gonna head through there probably, but just see what we can find. It's interesting. This tree right here wasn't bent down over the trail yesterday. Alright. Anyways, you see the campers right up there. Right. You can kind of see it, the sun glaring it out. See it up in there? It's way up in there. There goes Rusty Russ. Alright, let's go see what we can find. Alrighty. We've been tromping through these woods for probably about 30-40 minutes. Yeah, I'm out of breath because I just come from way up that hill there, but I kind of got turned around for a second, but I know where I'm at now because I tell you, right? See that ridge line? Right there, I just seen a car go by, so I know where I'm at now. There's a road right there, so I'm assuming the RV's that way because when I left the RV, I went from the back of it going towards the lake, and I finally got to the water, and I curved to my right, then I followed this gully back up. So if my calculations are wrong, like always, the RV should be that direction because that road, I'm kind of, I don't know how to describe it. When people come in on the road, they're like coming towards me, then the road shoots off. So I'm pretty sure I'm down that way. Can't guarantee it, but Rusty's down there chasing a lizard or something. He's really enjoying this. Ow. Lamb just poked me on the knee, that hurt. Yeah, he likes tromping through the woods. Oh, there he goes. Nothing like getting fresh ticks. Alright. Man, that's a big old hill. I'm taking me a break. I'm hearing something, I don't know. Not a Sam squinch, I just thought I heard a fox, but I don't know, I don't see nothing. Could have swore I just heard a fox. They won't bother you. I mean, they'll run from you and hide. That's probably the reason I'm not seeing it, but I just like seeing them. I think they're pretty. Yeah, I don't know. Not hearing it anymore, so we're gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna go up here to the road and head like we're leaving, going out. I ain't no hurry back to the RV yet. Only been gone about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. So Russ seems to be enjoying himself. He's rolling around in the leaves. Now he's hacking and gagging. All right, let's continue on. All right, so I've been walking about another, I don't know, 30, 35 minutes. Old Rusty Russ is dragging along behind me there. We're going to try to wear him out today. Both of us been laying around so much with the rain, and then actually been having some pretty days, but I got so lazy just from laying around the rainy days it became habit. So we got out today, do this little walk. I'm actually come to the end of the road that I'm camped on. Right there's the end. We get back to the, not the main road, but the main blacktop road. So I'm probably, I don't know, 2.5 miles from camp. And where I'm gonna go, I'm going right over here to a little day use area. Let Rusty Russ lay around and take him a break. He's running out of steam. Ain't you, buddy? Well, he's got enough energy to peel and leaf though. Oh, here he comes. You ready, pal? Go over here and take us a break. Anywho, we're gonna head right over there. Alright, we done made it to this day camp area. It says Star Camp, but that doesn't mean you can camp here. Where's Russ? There he is. He's way over there. I see him now. It's just like a day use area. Picnic tables, boat toilets. I think at one time it looks like, at one time it might have been a little campground. I don't know. Can't really say. But it's not now, I can say that. So, I might go over here and sit down myself. I'm fat and out of shape. Ooh-wee. Alright. See right there. No camping. There's Russ. He's already over there checking her out. It's not a bad little spot. I've come here and mainly when I was in my van, I would hang out here. Because back then I was working here in the summer, so I would hang out here like on my days off. Not necessarily all the time, but just to change it up. There's a bunch of traffic. Oh yeah, the highway's right over here, I forgot. Just to change things up, I would come here and hang out for the day. Then later in the afternoon, you know, I'm gonna find me a spot to park for the night. But yeah, it's pretty nice, shaded. We're gonna go over here to the back. Usually I see some critters around here because there's not much human activity, so they hang around here, but I'm not seeing them now. But anyway, we're gonna go right down here to the picnic table. Let old Rusty Russ rest his bones. And too bad I didn't bring a bag of cookies with me. My cookie level's getting low. Nope. Seen a critter then, but I scared it away before I could even point it out. Some kind of little, I think it was a groundhog, I ain't for sure, but yeah, we're gonna hang out right here for a little bit, not a long time, but oh yeah, I'm real close to the highway. You probably didn't see it, but through the trees there I could see the reflection of a car going by. This is Star Camp. It's a day use area, and right now it's daytime, and I'm going to use it.
Admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can
Alrighty, we're on our way back. Actually, we're getting pretty close to being back. I think I can see the little road that goes up to our camp. But we just came back on the road this time instead of tromping through the woods, because old Rusty Russ is hot and tired and thirsty, and I didn't bring him no water because we wouldn't really expect him to be out this long. We'd probably been, I don't know what time we left. We'd probably been walking 3 hours, something like that. I don't know. Maybe closer to 4. Just messing around, seeing what's around here. It's pretty nice. I mean, I just love being in the woods. I keep hearing cool birds, but I can't find them. But anyway, I just love being in the woods because it's relaxing to me. It's been quite a bit of traffic on this road today because it heads down to the lake, or a part of the lake where people like to put their kayaks in and stuff. Been a few bicyclists. Keep thinking I'm hearing gravel like a car behind me, but yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get on back to camp, and what am I hearing? This road must be haunted or something. I keep hearing a car, but I don't see one. Anyway, we're gonna get on back to camp and just enjoy this area. We'll be leaving here in a few days. I don't know where I'll be going to. I can't quit looking behind me. I keep thinking I hear a car coming down the road. Must be that haunted car. Oh, maybe it's old Rusty Russ kicking rocks. I don't know. Either way. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't know where we're going to next. I mean, we're going to stay in the general area. And let's see what's down over this bluff. Nothing worth getting covered in ticks for. But yeah, like I was saying, we're going to find another spot to camp, but stay in the general area because I got obligations next month, and I just don't want to get real far away. You know, I don't want to take off to another state or something because I won't want to come back, you know. Once I get going, I like to continue on in the same direction. So we're just going to hang around here. I get hiccups. And I don't know, you know, try to find something to do. Which I enjoy being in these woods. Like I said just earlier, it's really relaxing to me. Now, if you need a lot of bells and lights and action, you know, it's not going to be for you. There's really nothing goes on out here. A couple of squirrels and an owl, and occasionally you'll see an opossum walk by, but that's kind of stuff I like. So it, you know, it works good for me. But anyhow, let me shut this whole thing down and get back to camper, say goodbyes. And Rusty just saw the camper. Look at him running. He ain't slowing down when he said, "Water! I need water!" That's funny. As soon as he recognized where we was at, he was gone. But yeah. There's where we're at. Now, I kind of camp off the beaten path. This is not obviously an established campground. Some people call it dispersed camping. I just call it finding a spot in the woods and backing in there. But I really like it because, I mean, yeah, I'd rather be on the water. There's no doubt about that. But like right here, no one comes around. No one tries to camp right beside you. You know, they're not walking right by your camp and tripping over your lawn chair when they go by. But anyway, there's an eagle's nest over there. I don't think there's an eagle in it right now, but we'll see if we can get her zoomed in there if I don't shake the camera too bad. It's gonna be on top of the power line. No, I don't see an eagle in it right now. They might have done left for the year. They done had their babies, so they might have done gone. So I don't know. I haven't seen, I used the camp, I've used this spot right here before. It's actually like hunters and stuff use it in the wintertime. And they're probably the one that made it. I use it in the summertime. But anyway, the old paint job's still looking pretty good. It ought to be dry now. I hear a car coming. Yeah, this road's got a lot of traffic on it on the weekends. But they always just pass me right on by because they're going down to the water. Let's see a car in a minute. It's close because I can hear the gravel crunching. There it is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yep. Anywho. Looks like they stopped down there. I don't know. Yeah, they did stop down there. Turning around. I don't know what they're doing. But anyhow, I'm going to end this video right here. We're just going to take it easy today. Kind of hang out. Might get back out again later. I don't know. But anyway, until we see you next time, me and Russ, appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you would share my channel, I'm trying to make it grow. I'm putting a lot of effort into it here the past month or two. I decided to get off my butt and try to do something with it. So I could use your help on that. Anywho, till me and Russ sees you next time. God bless you.